On Earth, there are thought to be 8.7 million different animal species. Some of these are dangerous. Some of them are cute. Others, however, are genuinely bizarre. There are special creatures all around the world that display absolutely amazing and strange characteristics and habits. Here are 15 unique and strange-looking mammals for you to be amazed. From the smallest rodents to a mammal that rolls into a tight ball when they feel threatened. Buckle up and get ready to encounter the unexpected as we explore the captivating world of the weirdest mammals in existence. "15. What is the smallest animal in Africa? The elephant shrew. Keep in mind that the elephant in elephant shrew may actually be the elephant shrew. A little animal that is indigenous to Africa is the elephant shrew, also referred to as the sengi. Despite its name, it is not closely related to shrews, and instead is a member of the Afrotheria family of mammals. Elephant shrews are distinguished by their swift, graceful movements and their long, extended snouts that resemble elephant trunks. Their body is coated in short fur, and they have long, slender legs. Elephant shrews eat a variety of tiny invertebrates, including insects, spiders, and other insects. They are solitary beings that exhibit sophisticated social activities. 14. Lowland streaked tenrec. This diminutive animal can be found in Madagascar. It is well known for having a distinctive spiky appearance and the capacity to make a wide range of vocalizations, such as chirps, clicks, and buzzes. The lowland streaking tenrec has a hedgehog-like spiky coat with black and white stripes. It feeds on insects, worms, and other tiny invertebrates using its flexible nose and long, slender tongue. The lowland streaking tenrec, unlike most tenrecs, is active during the day and is renowned for its peculiar social habits. 13. Starnosed Mole. This creature is the stuff of nightmares, and whenever I see one, I just get the creeps. In wetlands and marshy regions of eastern North America, there is a little animal known as the star-nosed mole. It is recognized by the unusual star-shaped protrusion on its nose, which is composed of 22 fleshy pink tentacles on its face, known as rays, that it uses for hunting and for navigating the cavernous tunnels. These extremely sensitive tentacles are used to feel for submerged prey. The star-nosed mole is a superb swimmer thanks to its thick, water-resistant hair and wide, paddle-like feet. It mostly consumes minute invertebrates, such as worms and insects, which are discovered by means of its distinctive sensory organs. Star-nosed moles are solitary creatures and spend most of their time underground. 12. Pink fairy armadillo. The rare and elusive pink fairy armadillo lives in the sand plains of central Argentina and is a small, burrowing armadillo. It is the smallest species of armadillo and is distinguished by a shell that resembles pinkish armor and serves to shield it from predators and hostile environments. A unique snout allows the pink fairy armadillo to burrow in the ground and look for insects and other small invertebrates to eat. On its front feet, it possesses enormous claws that it utilizes for excavating holes. Due to habitat degradation, this nocturnal critter is fragile and is hardly ever observed above ground. 11. Okapi. In the deep rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa, there is a remarkable creature called the okapi. Due to its distinctive look, it is sometimes called the zebra giraffe, or the forest giraffe, and is closely related to giraffes. The okapi resembles a zebra because of its reddish-brown coat and white stripes on its hindquarters. It features a protruding tongue, big ears, and a lengthy neck. Okapis are herbivores that eat fruits, leaves, and other types of plants. Due to their solitary and covert character, they are challenging to spot in the wild. 10. Pangolin. A fascinating mammal noted for its distinct appearance and status as the most traded mammal in the world is the pangolin. Pangolins come in a number of kinds and are found in both Africa and Asia. Similar to human fingernails, pangolins have protective scales formed of keratin. Despite having scales all over their bodies, pangolins are not reptiles. They are the only mammals with complete scale coverage. Most of the time, the scales serve as a protective mechanism. They roll into a tight ball and use their scales as protection when they feel threatened. Pangolins are predominantly nocturnal predators who feed on ants and termites by capturing them with their long, sticky tongues. Unfortunately, all pangolin species are in danger of going extinct because of unlawful hunting and habitat destruction. 9. Kogo. A kogo, commonly referred to as a flying lemur, is a small arboreal mammal species that is not a true lemur despite its name. A kogo can glide between trees with extraordinary agility because of a thick membrane of skin called a patagium that extends from its neck to the tips of its fingers, toes, and tail. Kolugos are nocturnal animals that mostly eat leaves, fruits, and flowers. They puncture and tear foliage with their keen teeth. They have powerful, sharp claws that let them cling to tree trunks and branches, and huge, forward-facing eyes that give exceptional night vision. By pollinating flowers and spreading seeds, kolugos perform a crucial role in their ecology. 8. Ai. A fascinating and uncommon primate that is indigenous to Madagascar is the ai. Enormous eyes, enormous ears, and an extended middle finger used to snag insects from trees give it a distinctive appearance. A bushy tail and a coat of coarse black or brown fur are features of the ai. It is a nocturnal mammal with a variety of adaptations for locating food in its natural habitat of forests. It taps on trees with its long, bony middle finger, listening for hollow noises that signify the presence of grubs and insects. Once it has found its food, the ai uses its rodent-like incisors to bite through the tree bark and its specialized finger to extricate it. The ai, despite its peculiar appearance, is revered as a sacred animal in some regions of Madagascar. Before we move on to our list, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with my latest releases. 7. Hammerheaded Bat. A large species of bat found in some regions of Africa is the hammerheaded bat, also referred to as the big-lipped bat. Its unusual extended head shape, which resembles a hammer or mallet, is the source of its name. One of the biggest bats in Africa, the hammerheaded bat has a wingspan of more than 1 meter. Large ears, a horseshoe-shaped nose leaf, and a fuzzy body complete its appearance. This fruit-eating bat is vital to the pollination and seed dissemination of its ecosystem. The gregarious nature of hammerheaded bats is well known, and they are known to form sizable colonies in mines or caves. Fun fact: male hammerheaded bats generate 120 honks per minute to lure females during mating season. 6. Pygmy Jerboa. The little rodent known as the Pygmy Jerboa is a resident of the Central Asian deserts. It is one of the world's tiniest rodents, only a few millimeters long. The Pygmy Jerboa uses its long tail and hind legs for balance when jumping. When it stands, it has a cotton ball body and huge feet that can lift it several feet into the air, giving it the appearance of a little kangaroo. Its fur serves as insulation and camouflage because it is adapted to the dry desert climate. Pygmy jerboas mostly consume plants, grains, and seeds, making them herbivores. They have been highly adapted to live in harsh desert environments and can survive for extended periods of time without water by obtaining moisture from their diet. Despite being illegal to own as pets in the United States, they do have human owners elsewhere in the world. 5. Ginuk. The odd antelope species known as the Ginuk, commonly referred to as the giraffe gazelle, is located in the dry parts of East Africa. It is renowned for having a long neck and a slim body, which enable it to reach high branches and vegetation that other antelopes cannot. The face and throat of the Ginuk are clearly marked in white, and its coat is reddish-brown in color. It has long, delicate legs and big, expressive eyes. As herbivorous creatures, Ginuks primarily eat leaves, buds, and shoots. They are adept at using their long necks to browse for food while standing on their hind legs. 4. Platypus. Those who first discovered the platypus first believed it to be a hybrid of several separate species. The creature even lays eggs on top of having a beaver tail and a duck's bill. Additionally, it holds the distinction of being one of just a few venomous animals in the world. The platypus propels itself through the water to hunt for tasty worm, bug, and shellfish prey, while defending itself from predators with stingers on its hind feet. 3. Sulawesi babirusa. Unique and amazing, the Sulawesi babirusa is a native of the Indonesian island of Sulawesi and resembles a cross between a pig and a deer. Males are known to grow tusks up to half a meter long with an unusual appearance. On either side of the mouth, the bottom set of tusks is visible. The upper pair protrudes from the top of the babirusa's nose, through the roof of its mouth. In the direction of the animal's forehead, the top tusks curl back. Some animals have tusks that are long enough to puncture the skull. Long legs, a rough coat that ranges in color from gray to reddish-brown, and a tall, lanky physique are characteristics of the Sulawesi babirusa. It is mostly a herbivore and consumes a variety of plant components, including fruits, leaves, and roots. The males use their massive tusks for territorial disputes and courtship rituals. This species is regarded as threatened because of habitat loss and poaching. 2. Proboscis monkey. Only the lowland swamp forests around the coasts of Borneo and the Mentawai Islands are home to the proboscis monkey. The male of these huge monkeys is distinguished by a large, prominent snout. Proboscis monkeys live in groups of 10 to 32 people and are gregarious creatures. The native term for proboscis monkeys is orang Belanda, which translates to Dutchman. They are said to resemble the Dutch who once exercised colonial rule over Indonesia due to their large noses and red features, according to Indonesians. Less than 7,000 of these critically endangered proboscis monkeys are known to still live in the wild. 1. Naked mole rat. We saved the best for last because this might be one of the weirdest-looking animals out there. A small, underground mammal, the naked mole rat is indigenous to regions of East Africa. It is well known for having unusual physical traits like wrinkled skin, a lack of fur, and big incisors. The social organization of naked mole rats, which includes a queen and worker castes, is akin to that of ants or bees. They are underground colonial animals. They have modest metabolic rates and the capacity to withstand low oxygen levels, making them exceptionally adapted to their underground lifestyle. Naked mole rats eat roots, tubers, and bulbs because they are herbivores. In comparison to other rats, they are also renowned for their longevity and cancer resistance. Please follow my other videos for an exciting journey filled with knowledge, entertainment, and inspiration. Join me in this adventure, and together, let's delve into a world of limitless possibilities.